In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Google Calendar not working. If you're having trouble accessing your Google Calendar, don't worry, I'm here to help. There are a few common issues that you can check and potentially resolve right from your device. So let's dive into some simple yet effective solutions to get your calendar back on track. First and foremost, check your internet connection. Google Calendar requires a steady internet connection to function correctly. Make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or have mobile data enabled. Ensure you're not in airplane mode, as this will disable all network connections. A quick way to test your connection is by opening a browser and trying to perform a web search. If this works, your internet connection is likely fine. Next, verify that you're logged into the correct Google account. It may seem simple, but sometimes the issue stems from being logged into the wrong account. Double check that you're signed in with the account that you use for Google Calendar. This will ensure that you're accessing the right set of events and reminders. If your connection and account seem correct, try refreshing the page. Sometimes a simple glitch can prevent the calendar from loading properly. If you're using Google Calendar on a web browser, hit the refresh button or press F5 on your keyboard to reload the page. For app users, try completely closing out the app and reopening it. This can often resolve temporary issues. Signing out and signing back into your Google account is another effective troubleshooting step. Logging out can often clear out any minor authentication issues you might be experiencing. Once you've signed back in, attempt to access your calendar again. Ensure your Google Calendar app is up to date. Outdated apps can sometimes face compatibility issues or miss out on fixes included in newer versions. Go to the App Store on your device, search for the Google Calendar app, and check if there's an update available. If so, download and install it. Then see if your issue persists. By following these steps, you can typically resolve most issues with Google Calendar not working. However, if you're still facing difficulties, consider contacting Google support for further assistance. Your calendar is an important part of managing your daily activities, and these methods will help ensure it operates smoothly. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips helped you get your Google Calendar back up and running.